This is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus. It rides on 18-inch Michelin Premier tires. This Pacifica comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine. Along the driver's side door, it comes with the power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. The Pacifica comes with premier leather seats. And for the driver and front passenger, your access to power seats and lumbar support. On the steering wheel, you have the cruise control on the right side, along with voice recognition, Bluetooth, and your in-dash board menu buttons. As you move towards the odometer reading, it shows 6,640 kilometers. The Pacifica comes with Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go to controls, you have heated seats and heated steering wheel. When we go to navigation, you get a full screen to help you where you need to go. And when you go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera screen. The Pacifica comes with a tri-zone climate control system, so you can control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear. You can also control the climate on your Uconnect touchscreen just by pressing this button right here. The Pacifica can carry up to 3 people in the second row. To access the third row, just have to simply pull this latch, brings the seat up, and it will bring you to your 3 seats in the third row. For entertainment purposes, we have a DVD entertainment system for both sides of the front seats. And once you're done in the back, there's a button which you can press to activate the power sliding doors. In the trunk area, there's plenty of space. And for the third row, you can make it a stow and go along with the second row. And once you're done in the trunk, there's another button to press which activates the power liftgate. The 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. If you like what you see and would like to come in for a test drive or have any other questions, come on down to Tower Chrysler. Or you can call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.